Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Your periodic exams are over. I hope you have done well in your exams and you had a wonderful experience. Today onwards, we are going to continue our syllabus for half yearly exams, and we have taken the topic for today's video, that is analogies and homophones. First of all, let us learn what is an analogy. Analogy is a comparison between two items. Comparing two items, two things comparing with each other based on a similar characteristic or feature. Two things, two items which are having similar characteristics. They are having partly similarity. They are partly similar to each other in some or the other way. They are similar to each other, and when we make the comparison of these two items based on similar characteristics or features are known as analogy. Let us see the example. Days are to week as months are to year. My dear children, what do week and year have in common? What is common in week and year? Days are common in week and years. They are both measurements of days. Days make week. Then weeks make a month. Months make a year. So the similarity between the week and the year is days. So here the first pair days are to week, means days make a week as months make a year. Here we are comparing two pairs. Days makes week and months make a year. So this is called an analogy. Analogy can be very helpful for learning new vocabularies. Through analogy, we can learn many new words. Simple analogies are presented in pairs, with the first pair having the same relationship as the second pair. Analogies, the simple analogies are presented in pairs, and the first here, as we can see, the two pairs. We can see days are to week is the first pair, months are to year is the second pair. So these kind of analogies are called simple analogies, and in this class we are going to study about simple analogies, and in this, with first pair having the same relationship, having the same characteristic or feature as the second pair. Both are similar in some of the other ways. Now, we will study completing analogies, how to complete an analogy. Dear children, there are certain tricks to complete an analogies, to complete the pairs. For example, if we take their up is to down, up is to down, as out is to dash. This is an analogy which is incomplete. And here we can see two pairs. Up is to down is first pair. Out is to dash is the second pair. Now we have to complete the second pair. How we will complete? The way is, look at the complete pair first of all. We should look at the complete pair. What is the complete pair? The complete pair is up is to down. Here in this pair we can see these two words, up, down. And we can see both are opposites. Up and down are opposites. The missing word should be the opposite of out. This is the way we should recognize the complete pair. We should understand the complete pair. If it is showing if it is opposite to each other, then the missing word also should be the opposite of incomplete pair. Now here out. What is the opposite of out? We know the opposite of out is in. So likewise, this is the way we complete an analogy. Let us see one more example. Exhausted is to tired as ancient is to dash. Now the same steps will follow. We'll look at the complete pair. The complete pair is exhausted is to tired. What are the words here? Exhausted and tired. Exhausted. Here the meaning of exhausted is tired. It means we have to write the meaning of ancient to complete this analogy. Exhausted means tired. So what is the meaning of ancient? Means very old. So by writing the word old, we will complete this analogy. This is about the analogies. So dear children, to complete an analogy, look at the complete pair first, understand it, and then complete the missing word. Dear children, now we shall study the topic homophones. What is homophone? Homophones are words that sound the same. The pronunciation of the words are same but differ in meaning and spelling. Though their pronunciations are same, they sound the same but their meaning of both the words are different and the spellings are also different. Let us see the examples. Right, R-I-G-H-T, right, we read it right. W-R-I-T-E, right. Both the words are having the same pronunciation, same sound, but their spellings we can see. The spellings of both the words are completely different, as well as their meanings are different. Right means which is correct, and W-R-I-T, right, means writing something. K-N-O-W, no. N-O, no. Both the words are having same sound, but no means knowing something, and N-O, no means denying something. S-U-N, sun, which gives us light. S-O-N, sun. So both the words are having same sound, but their meanings are different. T-O-2, T-W-O, 2. P-A-I-N, pain, suffering. P-A-N-E, pain. This pain means the single glass of the window or door. So both the words sound same, but their spellings and their meanings are different from each other. So these kind of words are called homophones. Dear children, let us continue our topic. We are going to study about idioms. What is an idiom? Idiom is a group of words. It is a group of words act together as a single unit. Idioms are the group of words which act together as a single unit, which gives a particular meaning. One cannot work out the exact meaning of an idiom by simply adding up the meaning of each of the words the idiom is made up of. Dear children, we cannot take out the meaning of each word given in the idiom. If we'll see the literal meaning of the group of words will be far away from the meaning of the idiom. Idiom is a group of words which act together as a single unit, the group of words which gives a particular meaning. We cannot go on the meanings of each word given in the idiom. Let us see the example. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket means to die. If word to word we see the meanings given in this idiom, it will be something else. So, the word bucket means, we know the word bucket means a pail in which we keep water, fill the water, that is called a bucket. And the meaning of kick is to hit someone or somebody with your foot. Kicking means to hitting someone with your foot. So, if we see the meanings of these words individually given in the idiom, we cannot find out the exact meaning of that idiom. If you add up the meaning of each of the individual words, you do not get the meaning of the idiom. Idiom is a group of words act together as a single unit. Thank you.